speak in microphone, I can't hear you. Or if you can come here and let me know what exactly do you want.
Vietnam want to change the paragraph. Member states national youth policy need to focus on, right? But I agree with the sentence member states national youth policy need to focus on because it's stronger than encourage, I think so.
Could you please come here and tell me? I'm sorry, I'm not able to understand. If you could please come here for a moment and tell me.
It's paragraph 16. Yeah, she mentioned about the paragraph 16 is down on the page number 2.
No, we are not. We are going paragraph. We are going paragraph by paragraph. When we reach that paragraph, at that time you can tell us.
So this way. Yeah.
Yes, we are going paragraph by paragraph. When we reach that stage, you could tell us, please. Thank you.
Well, if I'm allowed to say, maybe because I've done it.
Извиняюсь, хотелось бы сделать одно замечание. Может быть, мы действительно по параграфам будем говорить, а сделаем отметку по параграфам, по номерам, чтобы не... Потому что языковой делает некие проблемы, создает. Будем по нумерации именно абзацев, сделаем нумерацию абзацев, каждый из нас. И уже когда кто-то будет делать изменения, то будет указывать номер параграфа, то есть по очередности.
Уважаемые коллеги, давайте следовать за господином Кандеем, так как он читает полностью текст резолюции, и, соответственно, если идет тот или иной параграф, и у вас есть предложение именно к этому параграфу идти. Сейчас нумеровать все параграфы, это будет просто лишняя трата времени. Да. Вот здесь есть предложение, по какому параграфу?
Can I say a few words? Thank you very much. Actually, because I'm not expert in this field, I just came to know yesterday to come here. But this paragraph, which our colleague is amending there, suggests that it is an advisory body. And about in the second line, noting that the SICA implements, whether it is an implementing body or whether it is an advisory body. Maybe there is a difference in this body or council or something, but I would suggest that please look into it, whether there is something to be implemented, and that the broad areas also include military political dimensions. Fight against new challenges, one can accept. Environmental and human dimensions, one can accept. But how could the military and political dimensions under something which SICA implements, whether it requires some explanation or whether it can be amended under the charter of SICA or whatever, properly worded, or whether it is not an advisory body or an implementing body. This needs to be clarified. Some changes to be drafted.
Я думаю, пояснение может дать господин Пандей, да?
Well, Madam Chairperson, this reference to advisory body is to the SICA Youth Council. SICA Youth Council is an advisory body. The regulations of SICA Youth Council clearly state so. It's clearly mentioned, and the regulations of SICA Youth Council were adopted by the Senior Officials Committee of SICA, and then even in summit also they were formally accepted. So this is an advisory body. SICA Youth Council is an advisory body, and in the preceding paragraph that references to the activities of the summit, this thing. But as far as Youth Council is concerned, it is definitely an advisory body, and its responsibilities are given as given in this paragraph.
What about implementing body? In the military and political dimension, what role it has? I'm not expert in this, as I apologized before, but as a layman, what I can say on the face of it.
Mr. Ambassador, as far as implementing body is concerned, that references to the SICA as a body as such. SICA Youth Council is one of the institutions of SICA, but it's not an implementing body. Implementing body is SICA, that is the Senior Officials Committee, Ministerial Meeting and Summit. Those are the implementing bodies. They give direction, they take decisions. So the implementing body, the reference there is to the SICA as a whole, body as a whole. And in this paragraph references to the SICA Youth Council, which is only an advisory body. SICA Youth Council is not an implementing body, but then it has the mandate to coordinate the activities of SICA, of the youth organization, and to promote activities among the youth. It does not have mandate to implement confidence building measures which are laid down in Almaty Act or in the catalogue of SICA CPMs. So that responsibility is with the SICA parent body, SICA.
In political and military dimensions also.
Yes, political and military dimension, that is the responsibility of the main parent body, SICA. The Youth Council is not involved in military and political activities at all. Their role is to promote relationship between SICA youth organizations and youth federations, as is mentioned in this paragraph, that regulations of SICA. It is an advisory body responsible for coordinating activities of youth organizations, associations. This is the mandate of SICA Youth Council. Military political is not the mandate of SICA Youth Council.
I can leave it to the
Да.
to
То
the
есть,
SICA experts.
мы не противоречим положениям и уставным документам. Я думаю, что мы немного пояснили, почему это прописали. Я предлагаю продвигаться дальше.
Recognizing that governments and civil societies of all Asian countries are making efforts to involve, it should be involved, not involvement, to involve the youth more efficiently in the process of peaceful development, and are implementing the policy of encouragement of initiative and volunteering, provide opportunities for youth development and its participation in national and regional development. Any suggestions for this paragraph? None. Okay. Emphasizing that the youth is the important human resource of SICA. The consolidation of communication and cooperation among them, despite the long distances, is extremely necessary for the sustainable development of relations between the SICA member states in socio-economic and humanitarian areas. Have agreed on the following. Any suggestions for these paragraphs? Here we go. Youth cooperation is the most important component for the SICA improvement and development. The diversity of Asian traditional cultures and values is treasure and wealth for relations among the SICA member states, and is a subject of dialogue to gain experience of management of diversity. Any suggestions? The youth in turn needs to contribute to promotion of comprehensive and active dialogue among the SICA member states on global, regional, religious and ethnic issues, to make efforts to assist the effective cooperation between the youth organizations of the SICA member states, as well as to create the relevant institutions to assist the direct connections, exchange of experience between the youth and youth organizations of the SICA member state. And with your permission, Mr. Madam Chairperson, instead of experience, we will make it experiences.
Да, пожалуйста. И еще я вижу руку, пожалуйста, делегация перед нами.
We recommend to delete on global, regional, religious and ethnic issues, and to delete as well as to create the relevant institutions. Because we think that it is limited to fields and areas that are covered by SICA. SICA covered more broader areas, many dimensions, political challenges, interests, economic, environmental and human dimension. So we don't limit ourselves, the Youth Council, into only ethnic, religious. That is our idea. Thank you.
И еще есть одно предложение, господин Рахман.
So if I understood correctly, you said that we should remove global, regional, religious and economic issues, entire list?
Yeah, delete on global, regional, religious, and ethnic issues. We can say that among the SICA member states to make efforts to assist the effective cooperation, yeah, like this, and to delete another sentence, as well as to create the relevant institutions.
Something?
So any comments or any objections to the suggestions of Vietnam?
Yes?
Есть, пожалуйста, господин
Yeah,
Рафтан.
thank you. Actually, you know what I understand from this forum is that it is binding, bringing together the youth of this region, which has commonalities in different areas and fields, ethnic and religious, as well as regional issues. For example, if there are any, they cannot be avoided because the people are intertwined in culture and traditions and many ethnic, groups, many ethnic backgrounds, as well as have they share commonalities of religion. There are many religions also maybe in the region, but there are predominantly religious connections. So I don't think if this youth of the region has to be, or the member states has to be involved in the issues of the region, they needs to have to understand the culture, ethnic as well as the religious backgrounds, and give their suggestions and contribute to the objectives of this forum. Global, I can't say if it is global. Even then, one can't omit something global. But I have a serious, observation to something which is common among the member states here in this region. If you agree with this, then we cannot omit this, as well as the other suggestion, as well as to create relevant institutions. I can accept it, what it said, if the other delegates also agree. But on the first global, regional, religious and ethnic issues, there may be issues. There may even not be issues, but the youth needs to understand each other countries, and most of the problems are, are being associated with ethnic and religious issues in the region. So therefore, it is very important not to omit this. But this is my suggestion. Thank you.
Спасибо большое. Так, есть еще мнения именно по этому поводу? По этому поводу? Пожалуйста, Василий.
Along with the educational exchange program, I want to give one suggestion to aid the exchange of experience between the National Council, between the participating countries SICA.
Madam Chairperson, first if you could come on this issue, if Vietnam is agreeable to the suggestion of the distinguished delegate from Pakistan, can we keep this if it is acceptable to Vietnam? Because SICA has in Almaty Act and others, it is there that these are the issues which are discussed in SICA in general. So if you have no objection, we can keep this.
We don't have, can I talk?
Да, пожалуйста.
Yeah, we don't have objections to global, regional, religious, and ethnic issues. You agree with this? However, it is limit the areas that youth council can develop the communications, because we do have many other areas in SICA. So we want to focus and we want to develop the communication and cooperation between SICA member states, youth committees, youth organizations, not only to religious and ethnic, but to other important areas designated by SICA, such as political dimensions, fight against new challenges and threats, economic, environmental, and human dimensions. So if we limit ourselves only to religious and ethnic, I think is too specific, but not cover all the fields that we are interested to develop our communication and cooperation on. And that is our ideas. We don't have any objection to
Уважаемые
religious.
члены редакционной коллегии, пожалуйста, ваше мнение, ну, насколько вот отвечает ли, допустим, глобальное на то, что вот, все-таки это расширяет рамки?
So we can keep global
Yes,
education.
Madam Chairperson, of course, considering the views of the distinguished delegates from Pakistan as well as from Vietnam, if I understood, Vietnam per se has no this thing, so perhaps we can make it on issues of global, regional, religious and ethnic importance. So that will cover, when we get issues of global importance, that will cover everything, economic and other things. So that will be a general wide ranging this thing, and if I think that should be okay with Vietnam.
Yes. Because we don't have objections, we just want to make it better.
Хорошо, на этом мы согласились. Делегация Вьетнам, Пакистан, пожалуйста.
I couldn't follow exactly. You want to remove global or what?
Нет,
No, sir,
остается-
what I have done is SICA memberships on issues of global, regional, religious and ethnic importance.
Well, the issue itself is an importance, yes. I don't have any objection to it if it is acceptable. But I can also add my comments to the delegate from Vietnam that what other issues are there important than this? They are all covered here, one by one. If she wants to include other important things she considers, if the forum is open, I think the chair can decide. For me, the global issues are more important, most important. Regional issues are important. Religious and ethnic issues, they are the issues which needs to be addressed, and our youth needs to be involved in all these issues. And if you say it is issues of importance, they are
Спасибо.
important. I have no objections.
Окей. Пожалуйста, дамы из Вьетнама, вы согласны с той редакцией, которую сейчас предложил господин Панде?
Yes, we have no objections on this. We just want to make it broader. But if the Pakistan delegates are very much interested in putting the same on global, regional, religious and ethnic issues, is okay for us. We accept.
Господин Панде, мы идем дальше.
And the lady over here, she had some suggestions regarding experiences between.
Асиль, пожалуйста, предложите.
Я предложила внести именно...
Could you tell him you are comfortable in English? If you could say it in English, please.
Okay. Along with educational exchange programs to aid, I want to give one suggestion to aid the exchange of experience between the National Council of Youth Organizations and between the participating countries. Because I think they work with youth and they can be good именно они, получается, напрямую работают с молодежью, и они могли бы быть хорошим мостом по реализации данных предложений.
what we need from you is exact text of change which you want to put in here. If you can give me the wording, please. Between the national councils of
Обмен опытом между советами молодежных организаций, участниц стран СФМДА.
Excuse me, but the youth organization is already included, this national council, so we don't need this. You're right, you wrote a national council, but national councils are already included in youth organizations of the SICA member states, so it includes.
На самом деле молодежная организация это и есть а национальный совет есть один из форматов молодежной организации. Дело в том, что национальный совет, может быть, есть у нас в стране, нет в других 26 странах. Поэтому, если мы сейчас будем сужать это пространство, возможно, это не совсем будет верно. Так, пожалуйста, вот член редакционной коллегии.
Как молодежная организация.
Да, как молодежная. Но здесь и прописано молодежная организация. Пожалуйста.
Я считаю, что во многих странах национальные советы имеют большую функцию, нежели молодежные организации. Это больше политические платформы, которые представляют голос молодежи. Но я полностью согласен с вашим комментарием, что не во всех странах национальный совет представлен. Поэтому я предлагаю добавить youth organizations and youth platforms. То есть молодежные организации и молодежные платформы.
Так, пожалуйста, уважаемые члены редакционной коллегии.
oh, sorry. Is that okay with the subreddit? Okay. We move on to the next paragraph. Special attention should be paid to youth development within the strategy of development of the SICA member states, taking into account needs, requests and opportunities of each country. Member states' national youth policies need to focus on 1. The promotion of employment, entrepreneurship and technological innovation among youth people. Any comments? Prevention of
Республика Вьетнам. Есть комментарий.
Yes. So it is our last recommendation that we want to change member states' national youth policies are encouraged to focus on. Because if we use the word need to, it's not appropriate for this mechanism. Because SICA Youth Council, it is only an advisory body. Thank you.
the point is well taken. Thank you.
Yeah, if that is well taken, if I am allowed, this should be changed throughout because it can be changed, replaced with encouraged or some other appropriate word because there are many places I think there needs to be.
We'll do that after this is done. We'll go through it again, and whenever there is any, we need not go back on the entire text. We will, editors will make those changes. Suggestion is taken. Well taken. Thank you.
Хорошо, пожалуйста, Симона.
About the first point, we would like to recommend to add the promotion of entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship and technological innovation among young people. Then reduction of youth employment by providing young people with necessary skills to access labor market.
Could you please say this slowly? Promotion of employment, social entrepreneurship.
Yes, because this is a different type of entrepreneurship.
Social entrepreneurship, comma. Could you speak in typing speed? Could you?
The promotion of entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship.
Oh. You want entrepreneurship and social entrepreneurship both.
Yes. Because the social entrepreneurship is a new way of doing business all over the world, and it's the good thing for young people to know what is it and to work on it.
У вас по этому же пункту? Нет, вот я вижу руку, вы именно по этому пункту хотите выступить?
По второму.
Ну сейчас подождите, мы
Social
прочитаем.
entrepreneurship and
And technological innovation among young people, comma, reduction of youth employment, reduction of youth unemployment,
please slowly, your typing speed, please.
reduction of youth unemployment,
Excuse me, but it's already written. You don't need to type now.
where?
And the technology, the next word.
Okay, then it is deleted.
Youth unemployment by providing young people with necessary skills to access labor market.
To access
Labor market.
labor market.
Yes.
The sentence now reads as follows. The promotion of employment, entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship, technological innovation among young people, and reduction of youth unemployment by providing young people with necessary skills to access labor market. Is that okay?
Вы поднимаете рукой. Поэтому...
Да, именно по этому поводу. То, что я ранее указал про то, что нужно акцентировать внимание молодежного предпринимательства именно в сельских местностях, где наиболее актуально именно развитие молодежи, да? Потому как именно в городах или в столицах она развитая, а вот сельские местности остаются без внимания. Поэтому я бы хотел именно в этом пункте, чтобы добавили усилить внимание, свою актуальность проблемы развития молодежи на сельских местностях и применение каких-то мер по молодежному предпринимательству, именно сделать акцент на сельские местности, для того, чтобы развивать молодежь.
Уважаемые члены редакционной коллегии, насколько это возможно?
Можно я скажу тут? Здесь мы принимаем как бы резолюцию за все как бы страны, за все 26 стран. И тогда, когда мы предлагаем что-то, мы должны учитывать не только свою как бы страну, да, и всех надо как бы, потому что когда мы говорим, вот, например, сельская молодежь, это может это проблема наша, как бы Кыргызстана, Казахстана и других как бы, соседствующих. А за все страны мы как бы должны подходить более такой вдумчиво.
Можно, мне кажется, заменить все уровни молодежи со всеми категориями молодежи.
Да, пожалуйста, господин Пандель.
We can simply add the word social and rural entrepreneurship. I think that will solve all the problems.
If we go in details, then it will become to new paragraph, new point. So we are discussing exactly this paragraph, right? So the suggestions, now we are talking about another point. So we can add it, but please try to change only this point. This point is covering everything actually.
Yes, that's what the thing we just made. The sentence will now read says the promotion of employment, entrepreneurship, social and rural entrepreneurship, technological innovation among young people, and reduction of youth unemployment by providing young people with necessary skills to access labor market. I think it covers everything.
Well, if I could suggest the employment and unemployment, the two words, the meaning are the same. So therefore, I would suggest that you look into it. Promotion of employment and reduction of unemployment are two the same things, if I am not mistaken.
I fully agree with you. So perhaps we can remove this promotion of employment. We can remove this, and we can to promote the promotion of entrepreneurship and reduction of unemployment will cover this employment issue.
Коллеги делегации из Китая, пожалуйста.
Nicholas, regarding this point, I recommend that we should focus on the general direction, make it more simple and concise, not go to specific details, because different countries have different realities. So we recommend that this we should stick to the previous version. That is the promotion of employment, entrepreneurship, and innovation. Delete the technological, because innovation covers large areas, not only technological, among young people. And the first element, the employment, already covers what other colleagues said about the additional details.
That sound, in fact, the initial paragraph was drafted with that it is in general terms and it covers it covers everything. If we want to go into very, very specifics, particularly entrepreneurship and social entrepreneurship, I'm a bit naive on this issue. I wonder what to draw the line between social entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship. Where is the difference between the two? And if we go into that, if it is acceptable to delegation from Azerbaijan, we could revert back to the original wording. If it is acceptable to as a delegation, we could revert back as suggested by Chinese delegation. We could keep the original wording of this paragraph.
I believe that promotion of employment and reduction of unemployment is absolutely different things. Because when we speak about promotion of employment, it means, for example, publishing a book about the professions, so making some booklets, some actions and so on. When we're talking about reduction of unemployment, it means about creating new and quality jobs. It's about the state guarantees for the young people when they're getting the jobs, and it's different. So I propose to focus on unemployment, and maybe if it will be okay for you, we can just divide the first point and second point. In the first point, to focus only on the entrepreneurship and technologies, and to add another point about the unemployment.
Maybe we can accept that the reduction of unemployment, but lead others by what channels? By providing something like that. Because we have other channels to reduce the unemployment. Just keep the reduction of unemployment. Yes, delete the rest.
Уважаемые члены редакционной коллегии, есть предложение все-таки, чтобы вы выслушали рекомендации и предложения, которые даются сейчас в зале, но все-таки финальную редакцию, наверное, вы сможете предложить нам. Мы сейчас только с вами согласуемся по самым таким основным глобальным вопросам. А какими эквивалентами заменять те или иные слова, наверное, вы вот втроем сможете это сделать. Потому что, я так понимаю, все мы чуть-чуть подустали, уже более чем мы выходим за регламент. И если вы не против, господин Пандей, давайте мы продвинемся дальше по следующим пунктам.
Number 2, prevention of youth involvement in violent extremism. Number 3, involvement of young people. In fact, I'll read all these points from 1 to 9, and then if there is anything, we'll go back on that particular point. Prevention of youth involvement in violent extremism, the involvement of young people and youth organizations in the maintenance of peace and conflict prevention, guarantee fundamental rights and freedoms of young people with the improvement of the institutional mechanisms and increased legal awareness, pay deep attention to the prevention of juvenile delinquency, especially the focus on preventive measures for vulnerable adolescents, abolition of all forms of discrimination against young women and girls, minorities and persons with disabilities, and adequate response to the growing spiritual and cultural needs of youth by providing relevant answers to their queries. The improvement in the system of services for the young people, both at local and national level, youth involvement in national and regional volunteering of member states. So here, from point 2 to 9, as I had understood, here the Azeri delegation was against young women and children. Instead of girls, you wanted it to be children. Am I right? No, one of the delegations said, mentioned that instead of, you had said it. Okay.
Not only young, but also.
Yeah, discrimination against why young women? Why not women? Women and children. Why only young women? Any other suggestion on any of the other points from 2 to 9?